How to lock WhatsApp on iPhone. If you want to lock WhatsApp on iPhone using the secret trick, it is fairly simple to do so. First of all, make sure that your WhatsApp is updated on your iPhone. Then after you've done that, we will simply launch the WhatsApp application and log in. So when you're logged in, tap on the settings icon from the bottom right to come to this page. And directly from this page, go to the option called privacy and select it. From privacy, you can scroll down to various options and you'll find the option called app lock. It says require face ID to unlock WhatsApp. So just tap on it and we can turn on require face ID whether we want immediately or anything. So as soon as we close WhatsApp and next time we open it, it will require us to have a face ID. And of course, you can choose to disable that by going to privacy and going to app lock and simply turning off the toggle again. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.